And my first guest in studio is Mr. Ken Owen. He is a subsidiary CEO of Hydrogen Hybrid Corporation, stock symbols HYDB. Ken, always good to see you.
Glad to be here, Don, as usual.
It's always fun to talk to you because we'll get you on the program about every 2 or 3 weeks, and it just seems like the evolution of the company has just leapfrogged over and over and over again. You get so many things going on, but let's start at the beginning. What is the basic business model of the company?
Our organization actually builds hydrogen on demand for vehicles that will give you fuel efficiency from small vehicle to a semi-truck, whatever it may be, motorhome, from average of 30 to 50, sometimes up to 100%. At the same time, cutting emissions on those vehicles. So we're really aggressively in that space, focusing not only on hydrogen, but also announced previously on the show, the windmill space.
Right. Now, I guess I'll use the Ford F-250 diesel that you brought into our studio one time as kind of the poster boy of your product. You demonstrated how the hydrogen is made on demand with your apparatus, and that takes this vehicle, which probably is an 8 to 10 mile per gallon vehicle, and brings it to approximately what?
18 by 22.
Really?
Yeah.
So you get this behemoth vehicle getting Honda Civic type diesel mileage.
8,500-pound truck. You know, getting that kind of mileage, which the Ford diesel is one of the worst ones in the marketplace, the 2008 model.
Right.
And that's why we use that product, to show people the difference in the mileage just using hydrogen on demand.
18 to 22 miles per gallon out of that big thing, and this is a retrofit unit that costs approximately how much to get installed on that?
$1,995 plus install. Pretty basic.
Yeah, so I mean, it doesn't, when you're looking at even at a $2.50 per gallon price for diesel, it doesn't take too long to recoup the investment and then start really being happy from that on.
Looking at about 6 to 12 months in that time frame. So.
And of course, during that time, you can feel good about what you're doing with the environment.
Environmental, usually a 30% reduction in emissions also.
That is really amazing. Now, you've taken this product and you've moved it into the semi-truck industry. How's that going?
It's actually doing really well. We got so much attention now that I mentioned previously on the show that we went to New Mexico, or headed to New Mexico. There's a lot of money there. We actually got a call yesterday, and verbally we've been given 25 acres of land and a very large allotment of money. And we're looking at building a 100 to 150,000 square foot facility.
Really?
Yeah, with the truck stop, installation facility, manufacturing, food, you name it, it's almost in this facility. They're very excited about this, and you know, since this has started being in the green environment, especially New Mexico, they're going, we need it. So we're there to actually add jobs, hopefully bring that state to attention of being green. And then we throw on top of that, as of just about 2 days ago, AC Green is going to be our spokesperson. So how can you beat it? You got AC Green as a spokesperson for a green company.
Of course, AC Green, National Basketball Association legend, known as the Iron Man for playing the most consecutive games. So we're going to have Cowboy Ken's truck stop in New Mexico where they can stop in, get dieseled up, get the vehicle washed, eat, and get the unit retrofitted all in one stop?
All at one stop, all at one stop. And at the same time here, we've actually just started up with Ethos, and we've got a new product that's coming out in the next 2 weeks that's really going to take center stage in the marketplace. It adds efficiency to the vehicle also of about 7 to 15% and helps cut the NOx out by approximately 30%.
Is that, let's face it, in the diesel, in the delivery business, I mean, we're never going to have an electric semi-truck.
I don't know, Don. That's happening. I'm looking at some stuff right now. It's pretty impressive. I drove 2 weeks ago, I drove an electric Class 6 truck.
Really?
They brought it to me. That's one of the reasons New Mexico is important right now, because we have a large enough place to convert these vehicles. So that's happening.
But your technology is essentially the bridge to that.
To get there.
To get there.
Absolutely.
That's probably down the line a bit.
Well, it is. We're talking about 5 or 10 years, but you can use the hydrogen system to help set that in place today.
Wow.
Run the generators.
Hydrogen Hybrid Corporation, again, the stock symbol HYDB. For more information, please call us toll-free anywhere in the world, 888-259-4449. Well, like I said at the beginning of the interview, it just keeps getting better and better. Thanks so much.
Hopefully Ford, that's our product line. They're doing good.
Great.
Thank you.
Take care.